Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to show you how to control the servo motor using Arduino. It's not difficult. All you need is to follow me till the end of the video. Okay, let's see how. Okay, this is the servo motor. This servo has 3 pins. This is the orange pins, this is the red pins, and this is the brown pin. The brown pin here should be connected to the ground on your Arduino. The red pin here should be connected to the plus 5 volt on your Arduino, and the orange pin should be connected to any analog pin. Connect it, for example, to the pin analog 0 on your Arduino board. As I said, connect your brown pin to the ground pin on your Arduino. This is the ground pin. Connect your red pin, the middle pin, to the plus 5 volt on your Arduino. This is the plus 5 volt. And connect the orange pin, the signal pin, to the analog pin 0 on your Arduino, A0. This is the A0. Okay, after that, open your Arduino software to see how to write the code or how to create the code. Okay, after that, open your Arduino software, click on File, Examples, Servo, and choose Swift. Okay, this is the program. This is the library of your servo motor. Servo. This is the position equals 0, variable to store the servo position. Void setup. My servo to attach 9. Instead of 9, write a 0. Void loop. Here the servo motor goes from 0 degrees to 180 degrees. My servo dot write pause position. Tell servo to go to the variable position. That's mean to the initial position. Delay 15. Wait 15 milliseconds for the servo to reach the position. Okay, then now go from 180 degrees to 0 degrees, and my servo dot write position. Delay 15 milliseconds. Wait 15 milliseconds for the servo to reach the position. And you can edit the delay number. For example, instead of 15, make it 10. And here instead of 15, also make it 10. Okay, after that, compile your code. Then connect your Arduino to your PC. Then upload the code. Okay, and now after I upload the code, as you see here, the motor now turn from 0 to 180 degrees, then from 180 degrees to 0 degrees. If I edit the value, for example, from 0 to 90 degrees, and here from 90 degrees to 0, upload. Now the motor is turning only from 0 to 90 degrees, then from 90 degrees to 0. If I edit the delay number, for example, instead of 10, make it 15, for example. And here 15. The speed decrease. As you see here, the speed is decreased now. And if I make it 5, for example, here 5 and here 5, then upload. Do you see the speed? Guys, this is all about servo motor. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel, and thank you for your watching.